Okay, after being a year and 1 month locked, this is my third set of locks. I've had 2 sets of traditional locks before this, and this is my third set of locks. I have once again decided to comb out my locks. I have 2 rat tail combs right here. I'm going to comb out my locks. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is probably going to be the most long, painful process ever, but I'm about to do it. I just want to start over my locks because psych! I am not combing out my locks. I know y'all are like, oh my god, y'all are so sick of me starting over my locks. Nope, nope, nope. This is my third and last set. Third time's a charm. I love my locks so much. I really, honestly, and truly do. I finally got my locks exactly how I want them. They're not going anywhere. I'm just ready for them to lock up. Oh my god, I'm so ready for my locks to lock up. This cute little fussy frizziness is cute, but as soon as they lock, it's over. But honestly, the reason I have lock combs or just rat tail combs is because I am finally going to maintain my curly ends. So I thought in a year and 1 month, May, June. Oh, it's going on a year and 2 months. I locked my hair on May 6th of 2025. A lot has changed, but just like the previous video I just did, I'm going to section my hair in 6 sections. I should probably get some like curling products, but I've been avoiding my curling product, just focusing on my ends. I want to put my curling product on my ends, but right now I just don't want to put any product in my hair. It's really lightweight. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't cause buildup. It's the perfect products for my hair texture, and my locks. So I'm going to attempt to do this just completely dry. No water, no products, literally just a comb. And we'll see how far I get. This is probably going to take me longer than I estimate in my head because I have over 500 locks. I am pushing 600 locks. So I don't know how long it's going to take to go through each individual lock. Hopefully it doesn't take me more than an hour because I'm hoping that it's really quick to just like comb out the ends. But that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. My ends are still 2-strand twisted. They are not really loose, so it is the possibility that they may lock up because they're 2-strand twisted. They're not loose. As far as I know. But that's how I started my locks, with 2-strand twists. So about 50% of my length is now interlocked, and the length towards the end is still my 2-strand twist. But 2-strand twist pattern is starting to disappear, and you only can see the curly ends. So I have 50% interlock. The 2-strand twist that I started with is locking up, and then I just have these little curly ends. So I'm going to get right into it with this first section. Let's just pull out 2 locks over here. Oh my god, it's the fact that I gotta go lock by lock. So this is my end. So let's see. I'm going to try both combs. I don't want to comb my hair out. Oh, okay. Because I've noticed that some of them are trying to lock up. And right now, I'm not in the mood to have my locks lock up. My ends, I just want to maintain them. Oh my god, y'all, this is going to take forever. This is literally going to take forever. This is a process. I don't know what I thought I was getting myself into. So I'm just gonna go like that, I guess. You know what? This is actually kind of insane. Really, honestly and truly, I'm not about to sit here. What was I thinking? Okay, so I'm going to just go like this with my fingers. I don't want my ends to lock, but it's looking like I may end up locking them. This is probably going to be another part 2 to this video. For everybody who has curly ends on your locks, what are you doing to maintain your locks? Me, it's easier if you have less locks, but this is going to be a very painful process for me. I'm just kind of like combing it with my fingers to keep it detangled. See, look, there's one right there. It's trying to form a little ball at the end so it can start locking up. I know that curly ends are a lot to maintain, and it's just easier to go ahead and let it lock up. See, this is what I wanted to show y'all. Right here, can you see it? This is, yep, you see that little knot right there? My ends are starting to lock. It's just right here, so you can see this is all of the interlock, and then this is the 2-strand twist that was started. But as you can see, it's only a little knot right here where it's starting to lock in the middle. And I don't know, I want to keep my curly ends, but it is a lot to maintain, especially with pushing 600 locks. So I'm gonna just like unravel it gently and lightly. And it's mostly just shed hair at the end, honestly. Oh, it's sliding right off. See? It's just shed hair into a ball. So I regret everything with sitting here thinking that I'm going to maintain my ends. I really, you know what, I might, but I'm going to have to literally just find some time that I want to go through. I'm going to have to find some time. I may have to get some water. I may have to get my curling product just for the ends. I don't want to put it in all throughout my locks like I used to. I never had any problems with it though. Never made my hair crusty, hard, or any type of buildup whatsoever. It's a very light product for my hair. Everybody has their own different hair texture, but I'm regretting. So there's probably going to be another part. I really do want to maintain my curly ends. I don't know. Honestly, at this point, y'all, you see how I'm acting because I can't make up my mind. The feeling is I just got so many locks and I'm like, do I really want to go through and maintain all of this? It's gonna take hours. It's gonna take at least 2 hours. I take it back, maybe 3 hours. My reties, they take 5 hours and 40 minutes, 5 hours and 17 minutes. It fluctuates, but they always take at least 5 hours. So I have over 500 locks, so I guess the math kind of equivalents to how many locks I have in my head. But if that's the truth, that means it's going to take me 5 hours to do this, to go through each lock. And yeah, I think I've made up my decision, y'all. This whole video was literally just me attempting to do something, regretting my whole decision, sitting here debating. Yeah. No. I take it back. I'm gonna take this loose and I'm gonna save that for another time. Maybe I will keep y'all updated on my decision, but I really can't believe I thought I was about to sit here and just go through, because I honestly thought it would be quicker. I thought it would just go like this and like this. But honestly, looking at my hair, look at all of my hair. It's so much. And I do not self-maintain my hair. If you guys are wondering, I have a loctician that has been maintaining my hair the whole entire time, and I have no intentions on maintaining my own hair. It's really good if you do maintain your own hair because you have pretty much full control of your hair. You have more flexibility on your schedule. You can retie your hair on your own time and take breaks when you want to and work day by day or work hour by hour. But for me, I'm pushing 600 locks, and that's just not the reality for me. I want someone to maintain my hair, and at this point with these many locks, having someone else do your hair is a luxury experience. Like, I just sit there, I have my snacks, I have some food, I have my charger, I have my loctician streaming services, and I'm pretty much good. All I need is something to eat and something to entertain me, and that's it. So I just have no energy on going through each lock. I'm probably gonna let them lock, y'all. I think this is it. This is it. They're starting to lock. You saw the one I just pulled out? You see it? I don't know. I can actually feel it. If I go through certain locks, I feel like little knots and tangles along the curly part. And I don't know. I know a lot of people want to keep their curls, and I do too because they're cute. But I don't know. They might just have to go ahead and lock up. What do you guys think? Anybody who has recently started their locks, do you have curly ends? Are you interested in curly ends? Do you wish that you would have kept your curly ends? I need some feedback. I need some help, because I don't know what I want to do. But there's another little knot right here. It's so, oh, you can see it. See? It's like a little knot right there. They're starting to lock. This is the first time within maybe the year that I finally started to see my locks try to lock up towards the end. And if I'm only a year and 2 months in, by 2 years, I'm pretty sure the end of my locks are going to be fully closed. I'm hoping. I'm hoping that my locks are dropped and everything by then. But I was expecting maybe to keep my curly ends, but whew, it's seeming like too much maintenance. So this was pretty much just a chit chat with me. Regret my decision, think that I'm going to do something to my hair, and yeah, just give me some feedback and some help in the comment section about what should I do with my curly ends. My hair looks a lot better when I do go through and define the curly ends, and not all of my locks at the ends have started to lock up. It's just a few of them, and with me being over a year in now, I felt like maybe I should finally go through and do some type of maintenance on them just to keep them like this. I'm probably going to do some styles for starter locks or anybody who is pretty much under 2 years, because our locks are not fully matured under 2 years. A lot of people think that when you hit 1 year, your locks are going to be matured, or they have a vision in their head because they're comparing their locks to other people. But don't do that. Do not do that. It will really discourage you, because it just depends on so many factors, like how thick your hair is, the density of your hair, how many locks you have, because how many locks you have is going to depend on like how thick your locks are, because thicker locks take a little bit longer to lock because there's more hair to form and compact into the lock. Smaller locks lock quicker because there's less hair in the lock, so it doesn't have to take as long to lock up. So let's just see. But yeah, that's it. I don't have the time, y'all. I really sat in front of this camera and thought that I was going to go through all of this hair. If I do, somebody else is gonna do it for me. Like, I need help. Okay, let me get a good view of my hair so y'all can see. So this is why I regret my decision to sit here and go through each individual lock. I got a lot of locks and a lot of hair. I actually like that look. I might need to do a claw clip hairstyle. Oh, that is cute. See, when my hair gets longer, I'm gonna miss styles like this. So enjoy your locks while they are short. I'm telling you, when they're long, your hairstyles are not gonna hit the same. But all right, that is going to be it for this video. Bye.